headphone. Check this out. They're inside here. Hold on. And you just pop them into place. Can be a little bit scary when you pop them into place. You feel like you're going to break them. But they will pop into place. These are pink. Sides. See the sides? With little speakers. And where the music dances. And there's the name of it. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But here is the on and off buttons and the sound. And then here is how you charge it on the side. And these are wireless. You flip it on the other side and you will see the on and off button. So, cut it on. The ears flash with the music. Of course, I can't hook the music up to it because I'm using my phone to record. But these are pink and white. The sound quality is great. And let me tell you some more about it. On here it says foldable design, microphone, Bluetooth connected, LED flashing, and volume controlled with the mic. And they are kid size, teenage kid size. The instructions and the warranty card. And when you're ready to put them back in storage, you can just pop them back in. You can keep your box if you want, or you don't have to. I mean, it's up to you, whichever you want to do. And you just pop it back into the section where it folds. And keep the box if you want. But yeah, again, that is the wireless headphones by RIWBOX.